Okay, what were you saying?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Chocolate what?
More.
You want more chocolate? Is that what you said? Why do you like chocolate so much? Huh?
Mouse.
Chocolate mouse? No, chocolate in your mouth? Is that what you said? Chocolate in your mouth?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, why do you like chocolate in your mouth?
Gum.
Gum?
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Giovanni, can you say delicious?
Yeah.
Say delicious. Good job. Can you say I love you?
I love
Oh, can you say I love you, Carolee?
you. Okay.
Oh, good one. More what? More bouncing you on my feet? What? Sorry about that. More bouncing you on my feet?
Yeah.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Whoop. You're not very steady. Can you say, whoa, buddy? Whoa, buddy. Whoop, bounce, bounce, bounce. Whoop. Giovanni, did you eat chocolate today?
Yeah.
How much? Much? In your mouth? Yeah. Did you get into the party chocolate? Yeah. Did mommy say no? Yeah. Why'd she say no? Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Too much chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoop. Oops. Again?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye, Carolee.
Hey guys.
I love you.
Hello.
Good job. Can you wave? Thank you, blow a kiss. Oh, good job. You gonna kiss the phone? Okay, hold on.